Hey everyone, I have something super exciting to share with you today. You already know Canva is my ultimate favorite graphic design tool, and now they have a new plugin that when you pair it with ChatGPT, the sky is the limit. You literally could create anything from presentations, logos, social media posts, and so much more for your small business. And I wanted to make sure that I created a video about it, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Let's get started. All right, so here we are in ChatGPT. Now, if you don't have an account yet, I will leave a link to it right below this video so you could sign up. Now, in order to use ChatGPT combined with Canva, you need to make sure that you have the Plus account, which is the membership site. And in order to do so, you could just go down here and go to my plan to upgrade if you need to. Now, in order to go ahead and start using Canva, the first thing you need to do is go to settings and beta down here. Go ahead and go to beta features and go ahead and turn on plugins and go ahead and toggle on advanced data analysis. Now from here, all you're gonna do is you're gonna hover right here where it says no plugins enable. Go ahead and click on the drop down menu and click on plugin store. Go ahead and do a search for Canva and go ahead and click on install. Now, once installed, you're gonna know because you're gonna see the little logo right here. Make sure that this little check mark is there. Now, once you see it here, all you have to do is give it a prompt. So like I said earlier, you could create logos, banners, you could create social media posts, presentations, etc., whatever you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and say create a social media post for Instagram to promote Black Friday deals. I'm gonna go ahead and click enter, and automatically it's gonna start creating templates that I could actually use. So just give it a few seconds here, and it's going to generate these different templates that you will be able to click on and edit right on the Canva platform. So that's another thing, make sure to create an account with them if you don't have one. So here's one right here, seasonal sale. It's creating a second one for me right now. It's supposed to be black and neon green counter. So it does countdown timer, so it does look like it. And then it's going to generate a whole bunch of different templates. From here, you could just pick the one that kind of resonates with your brand, with your colors. And keep in mind that you could edit all of this. So if you want to change, let's say you like this one, but you want to make it pink and gold, you could do that. You could edit the actual template and change it from the back end. So let it generate all the templates. That way you could see all the ones that's generating for you. And let's say that you like this one here. Just click on this little line right here, view template. It automatically is going to open on Canva. So I clicked on the one above this one by mistake. So I'm going to click on this one. This is the one that I was trying to open. And from here, you could go ahead and change this. So you could go ahead and click on the color and change it to any color that you want. So let's say you wanted to change that, you could change the text and everything else in here. But as you can see, it's that simple to create social media templates or anything else that you need for your small business. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you stayed all the way to the end, comment the word me below so I could know that videos like this are videos that you guys are enjoying. I'm also adding playlists that you can see on the screen right now that will definitely help you grow your small business in different ways. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know below, and thank you so much for watching.